channel. Thank you for watching Uganda News channel.
I'm happy to report to all Ugandans and the world that as we stand today, our economy is robust. The majority of the population are very happy, as you have been seeing the massive and extremely happy rallies I have been addressing. The country is peaceful, and our armed forces are at their strongest. Some of the obstacles created by some unpatriotic elements notwithstanding. By June 2026, the size of the economy will be US dollars 68.4 billion by the foreign exchange method, and US dollars 194.2 billion by the purchasing parity method, purchasing power parity method. The GDP per capita will be US dollars 1,399, meaning that Uganda is now firmly in the lower middle income status and out of the least developed countries status. All this is compared to US dollars 3.92 billion by 1986. In other words, the economy has grown 13 times in size since 1986. In quantitative terms, you can go item by item. Coffee exports were 3,060,000 kilogram bags in 1986, and they are now 8.2 million 60 kilograms bags. Bananas, 6.6 million metric tons, and now 11 million metric tons. Maize production was 322,000 metric tons, but now it is 4 million metric tons. Milk was 200 million liters, but now it is 5.4 billion liters. Sugar was less than 100,000 metric tons, but now it's about 700,000 metric tons. Cement was 76,000 metric tons. It is now 7 million metric tons. Steel products were 50,000 metric tons, but they are now 630,000 metric tons. From almost no tourist arrivals to now about 1.6 million tourists arriving in a year. From less than 1,000 hotel beds to now about 150,000 hotel beds, etc. As I've told you before, our economy has now gone through 5 phases. And these are the minimum recovery phase, the expansion of the small recovered colonial and neo-colonial economy phase, diversification of that economy by converting more products into cash products, value addition to some of the raw materials, and finally entering the knowledge economy of making computers and vehicles and so on. We have even entered a new phase when our export earnings for goods and services are exceeding our import bill of US dollars 11.03 billion. The export earnings are US dollars 13.4 billion. This means we have got more than $2 billion surplus on the account. Our exports earnings are more than our import bill. Yes, we still have poor people. We still have unemployed graduates. We still have some bad roads because of under-budgeting for them and corruption. However, all these will be solved. Why? It is because we have already moved 70% of the homesteads into the money economy. Yet, by 2013, only 32% of the homesteads were in the money economy.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.